first term, second term, third term from the first bracket. Okay, I'm multiplying the second bracket by 1. No change. 1 minus x square by 2 plus x raised to 4 by 24 as it is. Next, higher degree terms not required, plus now multiply second bracket by x, x into 1, x square into x raised to 5 na next term. So is it required? No. We want expansion up to x raised to 4 only na? Therefore. Next, multiply by x square plus 2. So plus x square by 2 into 1, x square by 2 minus x raised to 4 by 4. Right? Next is higher degree term, not required. Next, now multiply by x cube by 6. So x cube by 6. Next is higher degree term, not required. Now multiply by x raised to 4 by 24. X raised to 4 by 24. And then higher degree terms, not required. Remaining terms are higher degree terms, not required. Okay, now like degree terms are to be written together. Okay, start with the constant. You have to write it in ascending order. So 1, then single term in x. See what are the terms in x square. The terms in x square. So they are like this: minus 1 upon minus x square by 2, then again minus x square by 2, again x square by 2. Right, then simplify this, write the like terms together, solve it. I think this term is wrong, huh? This term, it should be x cube. Please make the required change. This should be x cube. This term I have marked it here. Okay, then minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 cancel. One is positive and other is negative. Now x cube term, these are the two, these are the x cube term. 1 second. Okay, so plus minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6 x cube. Then x raised to 4 term. 1, 2, 3. Add them. 1 upon 24 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 20. Yes, do the required calculations. 1 plus x minus x cube divided by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 6. Absolutely, absolutely. This is the answer. This is the required expansion. Check your answer. See whether you are getting answer like this. Okay, next. Right, next example. So make habit of writing the date. So it is 9/2/21. Division P. Okay, let me change the page. Let me change the page. Next example, write down. Expand. Third example. Right, expand log of 1 plus x plus x square plus x cube up to x raised to 4. Let f of x equal to log of 1 plus x square plus x cube. Right? Done. Now see towards screen. See what we have done. We have studied 13 formulas. Right? We have written the expansion of e raised to x, then e raised to minus x, sin x, cos x, tan x. Okay? Then sin hyperbolic of x, cos hyperbolic of x, tan hyperbolic of x, log 1 plus x, log 1 minus x, 1 upon 1 plus x, 1 upon 1 minus x, and then 1 plus x raised to n. Yes. Which formula is to be used so that we'll get the expansion? Which expansion formula of these 13 formulas should be used so that we'll get the expansion of log of 1 plus x square plus x cube? Yes. What should be done?
1 plus x raised to n.
Log 1 plus x formula. Okay. So method 1, we can solve this example by two different methods. Okay. So let f of x equal to log of 1 plus z. Getting everyone? 1 plus z, where what the z is sorry, z is x plus x square plus x cube. Okay, then we know the expansion of log 1 plus z, that is, yes, z minus z square divided by 2 plus z cube divided by 3. It is 3, it is not 3 factorial, divided by 4 and so on. Achha, can anyone tell me how many z's will be required here? Whether we should consider expansion up to z square, z raised to 4, z raised to 7, z raised to 10. Again, you remember that what is required? We want expansion up to x raised to 4. Yes, what should be done?
Z square.
To x raised to power 4.
Z raised to no, x raised to 4 is required, but what about the z? Z raised to 4. Okay. If it is not clear, will be clear. See, I'm writing it here. Here, z equal to, what is z here? X plus x square plus x cube. Right? And then what will be z square? What will be the lowest degree term in z square? Lowest degree term in z, that is x. It's square. Right? Now it will be x square and higher degree terms, right now? But we want expansion up to x raised to 4. Therefore, we have to consider z square. What about z cube? Lowest degree term will be lowest degree term in z and its cube. So it will be x cube and remaining terms. Okay, but we want expansion up to x raised to 4. Z raised to 4. So lowest degree term will be lowest degree term in z raised to 4. So x raised to 4 and higher degree terms. What about z raised to 5? Lowest degree term in z is x and its fifth power. So how the terms will be? X raised to 5. What will be the next term? For example, some constant k x raised to 6. Some constant say k dash x raised to 7 and so on. But our aim is to get expansion up to x raised to 4 only. Na? So no need to consider z raised to 5. That is, we have to consider terms up to z raised to 4 only. Hope everyone is getting this. Okay, so to complete this example, you find z already known to us. You find z square, z cube, z raised to 4. But while finding z square, z cube, z raised to 4, remember that we have to consider terms up to x raised to 4. Getting everyone? Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right? Please complete the remaining part of example yourself. Okay, let me solve the example by second method, and at the end we'll come to know that second method is simple than first method. But for your practice, you have to solve example by first method also. In exam or if it is required anywhere else, you have to solve the example by method number 2 only. समझ में आ रहा है आपको मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ये एग्जाम्पल जो मेथड 1 मैंने लिखा है ना, हमने लिखा जो है बी, उसको कंप्लीट करना है आपको. फॉर व्हाट? फॉर प्रैक्टिस ओनली. But if it is asked, if the same example is asked somewhere else, maybe for your higher studies or maybe in our exam, then we have to solve it by the method number 2. Okay, let me change the page. Okay, hope you might have written up to this step. Hope you might have understood what to do now, right? What to do? You have to find z, z square, z cube, z raised to 4. But remember that we have to consider expansion up to x raised to 4 only. Okay, let me change the page. Save. Live. Yes, now it is live. Achha, method number 2. Same example is to be solved by method number 2. Method 2. Leave one page to solve the remaining part of example by method 1. Okay. Then write method 2. Right here, f of x equal to f of x is known to us. Log of 1 plus x square plus x cube. Alright. Acha, before we start, let me ask you some formulas. Tell me what is log of a plus b? Unmute yourself and tell me what the formula is. Is it log a plus log, or it is like this log ab? Which one is correct? First
Log
one
A into B,
First
sir.
one.
Log
or
log A plus log B.
First one.
First
yeah,
one.
first one correct. Okay. Acha, who consider that second one or third one is correct? According to whom second one or third one is correct? Yes. Who know the correct formula for log a plus b? Yes. Yes, speak out so that I'll understand. Yes. Remember that all these three formulas, they are wrong. Then what is correct? Correct is this. Log AB. That may be written as log A plus log B. Log A plus B. This thing cannot be simplified by any method. Okay, we can simplify log A into B. This is the correct formula. Okay, so you write both correct as well as incorrect formula so that afterwards you will remember. Okay, so if log A into B is there, we can simplify it as log A plus log B. Getting everyone? Okay, now see, but here in f of x, we have log of 1 plus x square plus x cube. Addition is there, but formula is known for the multiplication. Log A into B is log A plus log B. Na? So somehow we should able to convert this in form of the multiplication. And it is like this. F of x equal to log of, right? I'll keep the first two term as it is. And tell me what we can take common from the next two terms? X square. What will remain? 1 plus x. Now this is the first term. This is the second term. Right? What we can take common from the first as well as second term? 1 plus x. What will remain? 1 plus x square. Getting everyone? Now this is log A into B, na? So that may be written as log A plus log B. Getting everyone? How it is simplified? So remember now onward, whenever logarithmic terms are there, we have to simplify them in this way. Okay. Now using the formula, let me use the formula. We have we know this formula, log 1 plus x. What is log 1 plus x? X minus x square divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 and so on. Okay, I'll use this formula and now I'll write f of x. F of x equal to log of 1 plus x. What is log of 1 plus x? X minus x square divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 and higher degree terms plus. Now we want to write expansion of log of 1 plus x square. And for that I am using the above formula. In the formula, I have to replace x by x square. So x is replaced by x square minus x square square, x raised to 4 divided by 2. Next is x raised to 6. Na? Is it required? No. So I am not writing it. Okay. Now simplify this. Single term in x, two terms in x square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 x square. Single term in x cube, two terms in x raised to 4, both are negative, okay, minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. You can take minus sign outside, no problem. Okay. Simplify this. X plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3, and this is minus 3 by 4 x raised to 4, and so on. Hope you understood this. अरे समझ में आ गया क्या आपको? एग्जाम्पल समझ में आ गया आपको? ठीक है, कुछ डाउट है? If you have any doubt at this moment, let me know. Else I'll continue with the next example. कुछ डाउट है? Any doubt is there? Can I continue now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं. लेट मी चेंज द पेज. आई होप यू माइट हैव रिटन द आंसर करेक्टली. If you are lagging somewhere, you take the screenshot and you write it afterwards. Okay, let me change the page. चलो चेंज करते हैं पेज को. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं. एग्जांपल नंबर 4. राइट डाउन. एक्सपांड root of 1 plus sin x up to x raised to 5. अच्छा, so solve करते हैं इसको. Solve it. Here or just write let f of x equal to 1 plus sin x. Yes, anyone? Tell me how we can solve this example.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, up to what is that? X raised to power
5.
5. Thank you.
Okay. How we can solve the example? Somehow we should. So see, we know the formula for sin x. The expansion of sin x is known to us, na? But we don't know how to deal with this square root. So how we can deal with the square root?
सर वो सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड होगा शायद.
Then what will happen?
रैशनलाइजेशन.
Okay. I think that will not simplify the problem.
रेस टू हाफ भी कर सकते हैं.
रूट हट जाएगा ना सर.
हाँ, रूट कैसे हटेगा?
रूट मतलब रूट निकाल के हम उसका रेस टू हाफ कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, रेस टू हाफ कर सकते हैं. हाँ, but then how to deal with this raise to half, na? That question remains, na? We know the formula for sin x, na?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वो आएगा x minus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. हाँ, तो then expansion will be root of, है ना? 1 plus x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial. But till root is there, na? So we have to remove the root. How?
Yes.
How we can remove the root?
Sir, sin x by 2 cos x by 2 square.
Same. Yes, correct.
Sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 square.
Oh, good. Those who understood, write it directly. Yes. Else, let me write the formula. Write down. Sin square theta is there. Plus cos square theta equal to 1. Let theta equal to x by 2. Okay, that is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 equal to 1. This is one part. Second part, what is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let theta equal to x by 2. That is sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now I'll substitute these two values in the f of x. So f of x will be root of 1 plus na. So what the 1 is? Sine square x by 2
plus
cos square x by 2 है ना, plus what the sin x is? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. और ये क्या है? It is like this ना, a square plus b square plus 2ab. And what is this? A square plus b square plus 2ab?
A plus b
plus
square.
b
A plus b
b
square.
whole square. So I'll write in that way. So inside the square root we have sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. Square and square root will remove. Okay, so we have f of x equal to sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Hope you might have understood up to this step.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll use the standard formulas. Okay, so let me mention the formulas. Using sine x equal to x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on. We want expansion up to x raised to 5. Therefore, I am writing up to x raised to 5 only. Next, cos x. Cos x is 1 minus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial. Next is x raised to 6 term, not required. Okay, now what we'll do now? Replace in above two formulas x by what? X by 2. Since we want sin x by 2 and cos x by 2, na? Therefore, so f of x will be equal to sin x by 2. So x by 2 minus 1 upon 3 factorial, right? X by 2 cube plus 1 upon 5 factorial, x by 2 raised to 5, and then higher degree terms which are not required, plus cos x by 2. Right? Now we'll write cos x by 2. So 1 minus 1 upon 2 factorial x by 2 square plus 1 upon 4 factorial x by 2 raised to 4 and higher degree terms. Right? Now write the terms in ascending order. Start with the lowest degree term, constant term. So 1. Next is x by 2. Next is, see this term, x square term. X square divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 factorial is 2. So 8 minus negative. X cube term here. That is also negative. 2 cube 8. 3 factorial 6. 48. X raised to 4. Here it is. Right? 4 factorial 24. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So 384. I have answer, therefore I am writing it directly. You take your own time and then write the answer. Check your answer. Third term is negative, minus x square divided by 8. Check your answer, see whether you are getting answer like this. F of x equal to 1 plus x by 2 minus x square by 8 minus x cube by 48 plus x raised to 4 divided by 384. Okay, चलो next example solve करते हैं. Understood? Any doubt in this example?
No, sir.
Okay, let me continue. Next example. Example number 5. Let me change the page. Expand. Right. Expand. I think it is not visible, no? One.
Not visible.
One. I'll tell you. 1 plus x raised to x up to x raised to 4. Let. Now this will be visible. F of x equal to 1 plus x raised to x. Expand 1 plus x raised to x up to x raised to 4. So f of x is 1 plus x raised to x. So now again go through the 13 formulas. Right? We have 13 formulas now. E raised to x, e raised to minus x, sine, cos, tan, sine hyperbolic, cos hyperbolic, tan hyperbolic, log 1 plus x, log 1 minus x, 1 upon 1 plus x, 1 upon 1 minus x, and last is 1 plus x raised to n. Which formula can be used here?
1 plus x raised to n.
So last formula.
Yes.
Who else?
Yes.
Who else? Any other formula applicable? See, you might have studied this in 12th. Whenever we are using binomial expansion, right? For example, suppose I want to expand 1 plus x raised to 5, 1 plus x raised to 13, 1 plus x raised to 19. We can use the binomial expansion, and the corresponding formula is formula number 13. Right? So whenever we are using formula number 13, the power is 1 plus x raised to n is there, na? Power should be natural number. N is a natural number. You understand natural number, na? Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 1000. Right? This is natural number. But here what the power is x. Right? X is not a natural number. X is a variable. What is the meaning of variable? Variable may take any value of x. That is, x may be equal to 2 by 3. Maybe fraction. Right? X may be equal to 1.00009. Okay? In that case, binomial expansion formula, that is formula number 13, is not applicable. समझ में आ रहा है सबको मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Formula number 13 is not applicable here since power is not a natural number. Power is a real number. Or in other words, understand that power is a variable x. Therefore, formula number 13 is not applicable. इसके सामने आप लिख सकते हैं. हाँ, लिख दो आप. Power is x, which is not a natural number. Therefore, formula number 13 is not applicable. अच्छा, so formula number 13 नहीं use कर सकते. फिर क्या कर सकते? Then what we can do? हाँ, correct? Which other formula can be used? अच्छा, कुछ 11 not applicable. 11 is not applicable. That is 1 upon 1 plus x, na? It is not in that form, na?
सर e raised to x कर सकते क्या?
कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कैसे करेंगे?
सर e को 1 plus x assume करके.
1 plus?
e को 1 plus x assume करके. E is equal to 1 plus x.
You are on right track, but not. I want exact answer. You are on right track. Good. Continue.
On the side log.
Good. Very good. Who is this? Who told that we have to take? Who is telling that we have to take log on both sides? Ansh. Okay. You are from J&K. I think. Roll number 54, 55 something. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take log on both sides. Right on. Taking log on both sides. Very good. See, somehow, whenever we are solving these examples, maybe examples of unit number 1, 5, whatever the unit, right? So we have to use mathematical tools and we have to develop the mathematical aptitude. Getting that? So right, taking log on both sides. Whose base is e, natural base. Log of f of x equal to x log of 1 plus x. But we know the expansion of log 1 plus x. Write that. X minus x square divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 multiply this by x, simplify. But this is logarithmic term. Tell me how we can find f of x, or in other words, how we can remove the log term. How we can remove the log from left hand side. Yes?
Log.
Absolutely. Write down. Taking antilog on both sides. Taking antilog, or you write exponent. Equal to e raised to z, where z is equal to समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Understood up to this step?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Acha, what is e raised to z? We know the formula of e raised to x, na? That I'm using.
1.
अच्छा, ये z कितने लगेंगे? How many z's will be required? Up to z raised to 5, up to z raised to 10.
Z raised to 4.
Z raised to 4.
Z raised to
4.
और एक बार सोच लीजिए आप. Think over it once again. Our aim is to get expansion up to x raised to 4, na?
Yes, sir.
Our aim is to get expansion up to x raised to 4. Therefore, how many z's will be required? Acha, let me ask you. What will be the lowest degree term in z cube? Z cube है ना, उसमें lowest degree term क्या आएगा? लिखता हूँ यहाँ.
Cube. 1.
Lowest degree term in z cube. Anyone? क्या आएगा formula? फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? लोएस्ट डिग्री टर्म, वी नो इट ना?
1 raised power 3.
नहीं आएगा ना. लोएस्ट डिग्री टर्म इन z. अरे क्या है z में लोएस्ट डिग्री टर्म? व्हिच इज लोएस्ट डिग्री टर्म इन z? ये है ना z यहाँ पे. x स्क्वायर है ना? x स्क्वायर है ना? सो x स्क्वायर का क्यूब क्या आएगा? x रेज टू 6. और बाकी टर्म क्या रहेंगे? x रेज टू 7 एंड सो ऑन ना. So is it required to consider z cube? Z cube की कोई term consider करनी है हमें? No, ना? Since our aim is to get expansion up to x raised to 4 only. Everyone is doing this. ये बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat. See, z is like this: x square minus x cube divided by 2 and so on. So lowest degree term in z is x square. What will be lowest degree term in z square? X square square. That will be x raised to 4. Now it will be lowest degree term in z cube. X square cube. Lowest degree term in z and whole raised to 3, na? So lowest degree term in z is x square cube, x raised to 6. But our aim is to get expansion up to x raised to 4 only. Right na? So we don't have to consider, mute yourself. We don't have to consider any term from z cube, z raised to 4, z raised to 5, z raised to 7, z raised to 100, z raised to 1000. Getting everyone? That is, we have to consider terms up to z square only, and that we are going to cross check. Okay, so here इसको मैं equation number 1 लिखता हूँ. हाँ, I'll use this once again. F of x equal to, right now we have answer in the form of equation number 1. F of x equal to 1 plus z square divided by 2 factorial plus z cube divided by 3 factorial. Okay. Okay, I'll continue. Right here, z equal to, z को लिखो of x square minus x cube divided by 2 plus x raised to 4 divided by 3. I am not writing next term. Why? Our aim is to get expansion up to x raised to 4, therefore. Okay. Next down, z square. That is z into z. That is x square minus x cube divided by 2 plus x raised to 4 divided by 3 higher degree terms. Next, x square minus x cube divided by 2 plus x raised to 4 divided by 3 and so on. Term by term multiplication means multiply second bracket by x square first. So that will be x raised to 4. Next term will be x raised to 5. Not required. समझ में आ गया? Now multiply the second bracket by minus x cube by 2. Minus x cube by 2 into x square is x raised to 5. Degree is more than 4. Not required. So single term is there in the z square. So no need to consider terms of z cube, z raised to 4, z raised to 5 and so on. Getting? Why we are not considering terms of z cube? Lowest degree term is x raised to 6. Therefore, समझ में आ गया सबको?
सर मैं वो कंचन,
अरे करके देखो ना, ये z स्क्वायर आ गया ना. हाँ बोलो ना, चलो करके देखते हैं. z क्यूब फाइंड करना है हमें. हाँ, सो दैट विल बी z स्क्वायर इनटू z, है ना?
सर
z स्क्वायर में क्या है? एक ही टर्म है x रेज टू 4. z में क्या है? x स्क्वायर है माइनस एक्स क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाय 2 है और बाकी टर्म है ना? तो टर्म बाय टर्म मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. सेकेंड ब्रैकेट को x रेज टू 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. क्या आएगा? x रेज टू 6 आएगा. नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या आएगी? x रेज टू 7, x रेज टू 8, x रेज टू 9. Are they required? No. Why? Since we are interested in terms up to x raised to 4 only. Therefore, getting everyone. अभी कोई डाउट है?
नो सर.
हाँ. So can I change the page now? Now again, see what I'll do. I'll start with the equation number 1. यहाँ पे है equation number देखो. 1 plus z square divided by 2 factorial. वो आंसर है ना अभी हमारे पास. Then I'll substitute the value of z already known to us. I'll substitute the value of z square. Z cube, z raised to 4, z raised to 10, z raised to 100. Not required. We required z and z square only. Okay, let me change the page.
यस सर.
Okay. हाँ, तो अभी I'll start with the equation number 1. Okay, so 1 minute. We have f of x equal to 1 plus z square divided by 2 factorial plus z cube, actually not required, z cube divided by 3 factorial, so on. Okay, so f of x equal to 1 as it is plus z is known to us. क्या है z? Z is x square minus x cube divided by 2 plus x raised to 4 divided by 3 and so on, plus 1 upon 2. 2 factorial is 2 na? Now let me write the z square. Z square contains single term x raised to 4. No need to consider z cube z raised to 4 higher degree terms. Therefore, write the terms in ascending order. Simplify. One plus x square minus x cube divided by 2 प्लस ये 5/6 आएगा, f of x. Got it?
Yes, sir.
चलो होमवर्क लिखते हैं. एनी डाउट? कुछ डाउट है अभी?
No, sir.
हाँ, राइट. होमवर्क टू बी कंप्लीटेड बाय टुमारो. राइट, टू बी कंप्लीटेड बाय टुमारो. ओके, सो राइट, टाइप नंबर 1, यूज ऑफ मैक्लॉरियंस थ्योरम, है ना, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ मैक्लॉरियंस. सो राइट, एग्जांपल नंबर 1, expand log of 1 plus tan x up to x cube. थोड़ा सा फास्ट. देन लिखो टाइप नंबर 2. अभी जो हमने पढ़ा वो टाइप नंबर 2 है. सेकेंड एक्सपांड, थोड़ा सा फास्ट लिखना है, डू किया तो चलेगा. cos x into sin hyperbolic of x up to x raised to 4. सेकेंड लिखो expand cos x into cos hyperbolic of x up to x raised to 8. थर्ड expand e raised to, सब पावर में है, e raised to x cos x up to x cube. फोर्थ expand e raised to x into tan x up to x raised to 4. फिफ्थ लिखो expand e raised to x raised to हाँ, e raised to x up to x raised to 4. लास्ट लिखना है expand log of 1 plus e raised to 2x divided by e raised to x up to x raised to 6. हो गया होमवर्क. अच्छा, एक एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट करनी है हमें मंडे. थ्री टू 4 PM. लिख के रखो इसको. क्या करना है हमें 3 to 4 PM? हाँ, क्या करते हैं? हाँ, जो फॉर्मुलेज है, फॉर्मुलेज दैट आई टोल्ड यू टू राइट, राइट, सो उनको आपको सेमिनार लेना है. लिख दीजिए. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक, लॉगरिथमिक एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल, डेरिवेटिव एंड इंटीग्रेशन. लिमिट्स. अच्छा, सो आपको क्या करना है? So you write the formulas on one page. Say write all the formulas of trigonometry, including inverse trigonometric functions, on one page, 2 page, whatever required. Then make PDF of those page. Take photos and make a PDF. and represent them on the Google Classroom, and you have to tell the formulas. That's it. Okay, this is one way. Or second, you prepare the PPT PowerPoint presentation, and you can represent the PowerPoint representation during the 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, so for this, you have to, everyone has to prepare all this, but I want few people who will represent it. Okay, so they will take a seminar that is known as flipped classroom, Monday 3 to 4 p.m. Yes, voluntarily, who is ready to do this seminar task? Give me the names. Yes.
सर क्या करना पड़ेगा सर, एक बार एक्सप्लेन करो.
आपको क्या करना है, 2 ways है. वन इज आपको यू राइट द फॉर्मूलेज ऑन अ पेज, या जो भी आपके पास फॉर्मूले हैं, या मैंने जो सेंड किया है ना, उसको आपको क्या करना है, प्रेजेंट करना है. जैसे मैं अभी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं ना, वैसे आप मोबाइल से भी कर सकते हैं, लैपटॉप से भी कर सकते हैं. और वो फॉर्मूला आपको एक बार रीड करके बताना है सबको. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज 1, 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज cot स्क्वायर थीटा, लाइक दिस.
ओके सर, ओके सर.
Yes, who is ready for this?
Sir, I can do it if you wish.
No problem. Which part? Which formulas?
Sir, trigonometry.
Okay, roll number 3.
सर एक ही बता सकते हैं क्या?
एक, one only one.
ओके
सर
फिर
roll number 53 log.
53 log and exponential. Okay, good. Yes. Roll number 49. Yes. Who else is there? Who else is interested?
Sir, hello, excuse me.
हाँ.
Sir, I will do derivative, sir, not trigonometry.
Okay, no problem. Derivative formulas. No problem.
Okay, so I will do trigonometric.
Roll number 54. Which formulas?
The trigonometric.
Okay, 53. Very good. Now only integration and limits formulas are remaining. And this is compulsory activity. Those who are remaining, once they will come here offline, they have to represent it on the board. Okay, so I think it is better to represent it online.
Sir, roll number 11
Which formulas?
limits.
Limits. Okay, only integration formulas are remaining. Roll number?
Sir, roll number 14 integration.
14. Okay, very good. I have written the roll numbers also. Okay, so Monday from 3 to 4 p.m. Till that time, we'll continue with whatever we are doing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave. Thank you.
Sir, presenting. Sir,
I'll take attendance. I'll take attendance.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
We'll just have to read the formulas during presentation.
That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Do the homework. Bye. अरे देवा.